Okay, so we're going to talk about here. So take a nap. See, Tono, you will going to take a nap. It means to sleep for a short period of time. Separate from one primary period of time. Like you will take a nap from 1 to 3. So you have 2 hours taking a nap. So you can relax properly. Oh, wait me, ha. Next one, Tono, we have morning person. Okay. Who are those morning person? Okay, morning person are a person who works most effectively in the morning. Oh, wait me, Tono, ha. Okay. So another Tono is an evening person. Person who tend to stay up until late at night. Person who stay up until late at night, we call it as evening person. Oh, as little as possible. As little as possible. And independent, free from short, from outside control, not depending on another's authority. It is independent. So it means you can work by your own. Okay, so you don't need your parents, you don't need your friends to work with you because you can work by your own because you are independent.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so we are here to know the different adverb of frequency. What are those adverb of frequency? Those are the things that comes after. Okay, what comes next? What comes second? What comes third? Okay, like when you say 0%, it's never. Okay, when you say 100%, means that is always. You do it always. It's always. Okay. So we have here adverb of frequency. Okay. I have always done my work. Okay. Adverb of frequency. I have always done my work. Okay. So Susan has always lived in New York. Okay. As always. It means always. I have never, I have never eaten dog food. I have never eaten dog food. So it means you never eaten dog food. Okay, that's it. So here, Tono. Tono, are you with me? Tono, are you with me?
Yes.
Okay, so here about the video. Okay, so we have here about the video. Okay,
Teacher,
yes,
this
Tono,
this
can you?
evening Messi had class with you.
Hmm?
In this evening, Messi he calls my home because his parent is busy and Messi have stay at home with
Me?
uh, uh,
With
her
me?
sister.
Yeah. Messi have class with me at 9 p.m. Oh, I will see Messi at 9 p.m. Okay?
9
Yeah, you tell Messi, okay?
Okay.
So Messi will be with you?
Yes.
Hmm. I will see you at. Okay, and also no? Together?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, so here. Please try to question about the video. Wait me, how is the video here?
Okay.
Okay, please listen the video and after that, you have to answer the question. Listen carefully. I will play the video 2 times. Okay, Tono?
Okay.
And could you tell me what you usually do during the week?
Usually during the week, I go to a couple films. I like to go to the movies, see independent films.
How often do you do laundry?
As little as possible.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I don't take a nap in the afternoon. I don't get a chance to.
What time do you usually eat breakfast?
Between 6:30 and 7.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
At noon.
What about dinner? When do you?
Dinner, I love to have dinner around 6, which is not too late, because if it's too late, I can't sleep. So most of the time around 6, 7.
So would you say you're a morning person or an evening person?
I'm more of an evening person.
And why do you say that?
I think that it takes me a really long time to wake up. So usually anything after 12, I'm good to go. And by 7, I'm like at full energy.
Okay, again.
Yes.
And could you tell me what you usually do during the week?
Usually during the week, I go to a couple films. I like to go to the movies, see independent films.
How often do you do laundry?
As little as possible.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I don't take a nap in the afternoon. I don't get a chance to.
What time do you usually eat breakfast?
Between 6:30 and 7.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
At noon.
What about dinner? When do you?
Dinner, I love to have dinner around 6, which is not too late, because if it's too late, I can't sleep. So most of the time around 6, 7.
So would you say you're a morning person or an evening person?
I'm more of an evening person.
And why do you say that?
I think that it takes me a really long time to wake up. So usually anything after 12, I'm good to go. And by 7, I'm like at full energy.
Okay, so did you hear that, Tono?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, so you have here. Now you have, let us read this one. So for you to check it all, I am the host and you will Angelic. I am the host. You will Jessica. I am the host. You will Betty. Host and Alvino. You will all the people and I am only the host. Okay? Ready?
Okay.
Ready? Okay. And could you tell me what you usually do during week?
I usually do in the week is
I mean,
play badminton.
here, I am the host and you will be Angelic. Okay, again. And could you tell me what you usually do during the week, Angelique?
Usually during the week, I go to a couple of places, and I like to go to the movie, the dependent film,
How often do you do laundry?
as little as possible.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I don't have taken a nap in the afternoon. I don't get the chance to.
What time do you usually eat breakfast?
Between 6:30 and 7 o'clock
What time do you usually eat lunch?
at noon.
What about dinner, Wendy?
Dinner, I love to have dinner around 6, which is too late because it's too late I can sleep. So most of the time around 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
So would you say you're a morning person or an evening person, Lisa?
More more of an evening person.
And why do you say that?
I think that it take me a really long time to wake up. So, uh, so usually anything after 12, I'm good too. And by 7, I'm like, I haven't entered.
Hey, so did you get that? Did you understand? Or no? Are you ready to answer?
Yes,
Okay, very good. Okay. So here, we have here people, we have Angelic. Okay, I like to go movie. Let us listen the video again and then let us answer.
And could you tell me what you usually do during the week?
Usually during the week, I go to a couple films. I like to go to the movies, see independent films.
How often do you do laundry?
As little as possible.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I don't take a nap in the afternoon. I don't get a chance to.
What time do you usually eat breakfast?
Between 6:30 and 7.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
Noon.
What about dinner, Wendy?
Dinner, I love to have dinner around 6, which is not too late, because if it's too late, I can sleep. So most of the time around 6, 7.
So would you say you're a morning person or an evening person?
I'm more of an evening person.
And why do you say that?
I think that it takes me a really long time to wake up. So usually anything after 12, I'm good to go. And by 7, I'm like at full energy.
Okay, so ready now? So Tono, please try aside from reading the conversation, let us answer this one. Okay, please write your answer in the chat box, Tono. And then if you think it's hard for you, please ask me to look at the conversation. Okay, Tono. Okay. You tell me if you're done, Tono, right?
Wait me, can I listen?
You want to listen again? Sorry.
And could you tell me what you usually do during the week?
Usually during the week, I go to a couple films. I like to go to the movies, see independent films.
How often do you do laundry?
As little as possible.
Do you take a nap in the afternoon?
I don't take a nap in the afternoon. I don't get a chance to.
What time do you usually eat breakfast?
Between 6:30 and 7.
What time do you usually eat lunch?
Noon.
What about dinner? When do you?
Dinner, I love to have dinner around 6, which is not too late, because if it's too late, I can sleep. So most of the time around 6, 7.
So would you say you're a morning person or an evening person?
I'm more of an evening person.
And why do you say that?
I think that it takes me a really long time to wake up. So usually anything after 12, I'm good to go. And by 7, I'm like at full energy.
Okay, so one more.
I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. So what does Angelique usually do during the week? Okay, she often has to go watching a couple of films. Okay, independent film. How often does Jessica do her laundry? Okay, how often? Okay, as little as possible. And very good, Tono. And what who does not have chance to take a nap in the afternoon? It is Equity. Equity doesn't have enough time to sleep in the afternoon. And what time does Alvino usually eat breakfast? Very early. It's 6 to 7 in the morning. And is it true that Blanche and Herb don't eat lunch? Okay, is it true? And actually, the two of them, the two old person did not answer. Okay. They did not say yes or they did not say no. Okay. Is it true that who is an evening person? Who is an evening person? It is, okay, the name is Lisa. Okay, Lisa is an evening person. Is it true? Okay, no, it's not stated that Blanche and Irv don't eat lunch. Okay, they did not mention, they did not say no. Very good, Tono. They will only, Blanche said lunch, but she did not mention that she will not eat lunch. Okay. One very good, Tono. Okay, you have to answer my questions. Okay. What is the first thing to know that you do when you wake up in the morning? What is the first thing that you do when you wake up in the morning?
I think I open my eyes.
You open your eyes. Okay. You open your eyes? Are you sure you open your eyes?
Yes.
Okay. After that, after you open your eyes, you get up what thing?
I go out my bed and have breakfast.
Or you go out in the bed and have breakfast. Okay, that's great. Okay. You go out in the bed and have breakfast. Okay. Do you find that your works or studies takes up your free time? Why and why not?
Mm, I think sometime I couldn't take my free time. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
why?
Because I want to study more and I want to study more and I don't and I have more free time for me.
Mm-hmm. Okay, you want to study more. Why do you like to study more?
Because I can know and understand everything.
Oh, you can understand everything. Do you think that it will takes up your free time? So, example, you have free time in the afternoon, but you have to study, okay? You have to study. Do you think it will takes up your free time? Do you think or no?
Mm.
Do you think that?
Mm, Can you speak again?
Okay. Example, do you find that your work or your study takes up your free time instead of enjoying your free time because you don't have to go to school, but you have lesson, you have English lesson, you have math lesson. Do you think it takes up your free time? Yes or no?
I think yes.
Okay, you think it's yes. Yeah, it could be yes. Hey, now another one. What is the busiest part of the day for you, Tono? Okay, example, you will go to summer. Okay, by the way, when will be your summer?
Summer, I will be in my house or the beach, and the busy part of the day for me is to have sport.
Okay. Now, what is the busiest part of the day for you? Morning, afternoon, or what?
I think afternoon.
Afternoon. Okay, afternoon. Okay. So, how about morning? What do you usually do in the morning?
Morning, I usually breakfast or or bring coffee or cacao with my father.
Okay, like, okay, in the morning, what will you do?
In the morning, I usually watch TV or go out.
Okay, you go out. In the morning, you go out. Okay. What part of your day do you like the best? Morning, afternoon, what? What part of the day do you like the most?
And I think in at noon or in the evening.
Mm-hmm. What time?
I think about 12, 7 to 11 to 12.
7 to?
Yes, 7 to 12
Okay, 7 to 12.
p.m.
Okay. Okay, 7 in the morning to 12. That is the best part. The day that you really like the most, Tono. What is that day? What is the time?
Is in the evening, 7 p.m. to 11 a.m.
Okay, like 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. Okay, why do you like that? Why do you like that?
Is fun because I can have a lot of fun with my friends and I take a nap. I can take a nap.
Okay, you have to do that. Okay. So, okay. That's your hobby. What is your hobby, Tono?
My hobby is my hobby is play sports.
Your best hobby?
Yes, play sports.
It is
It's play sports.
playing sport. Okay, playing sport. Okay. So, does your hobby interfere with your personal life? Does your hobby interfere with your personal life? Okay, does your hobby interfere with your personal life? Example, you have hobby, you play sports. That does it interfere with your personal life? Does it disturb your personal life?
I think I play badminton. And I play in the evening or afternoon.
Mhm. Like,
Like I play, I play badminton or play or go swimming. Or go swimming.
okay, you go badminton or by swimming. Okay, so that's, sorry Tono, your hobby is playing sport, badminton or swimming. Does it disturb with your personal life, with what you do every day? Does it disturb? Yes or no?
I think it's yes,
Why? Why do you think it disturbs your personal life?
because fun and interest.
Because it is?
It is fun and interesting.
Mm-hmm. It could be. Mm-hmm. Yeah, it could be. Next one. Okay. Do you use any apps or product to enhance your sleep or morning routine? Okay, do you have that? Do you have this?
No, I don't have it.
Friday. What is your evening routine? Evening routine. The one you do every evening. What is your evening routine, Tono?
In the evening is fun and interest, and I think it's very happy because the light very very beautiful, and the city crowded, and I think I lot of fun, and I feel warm because I can have fun with my family.
Ah, okay. So, what do you do if you fail to follow your morning routine? Example, what is your morning routine? What what will you do every morning? After you get up, you eat breakfast after.
I think I will play badminton with my neighbor.
Okay, you play badminton with your neighbor. Okay, so you play badminton with your neighbor. So what will you do if you cannot play badminton with your neighbor? What will you do, Tono?
I will I will film watch TV or just me.
Okay, what will you do? You will? How does this influence example? Your morning routine, you go to badminton, but you will not able to do it. How does it influence the rest of the day? How does it affect the rest of the day? Because you were not able to play badminton. Will you be sad? Will you be happy because you did not able to play badminton?
I think has a lot of fun, and I feel it's great.
Do you think it will affect the rest of the day? Do you think it will affect the rest of the day? Do you think? Tono, do you think it will affect the rest of the day?
I think it is very fun.
Okay, daily routines and habits. Daily routines and habits. Okay. So, oh, by the way, Tono, let us talk about your daily routines using adverbs. Okay, give me your daily routines. Give me three daily routines that you do use adverb of frequency. Like you will say, I always get up at 7 in the morning. That is daily routine. Okay, give me three daily routines.
Okay.
Okay, done?
Unfinished teacher.
Okay.
Unfinished teacher.
Okay. At 6 a.m., I get up and brush my teeth. At 6:30, I have breakfast and go to school. At noon, I go to niece's house to relax. Oh, at 1 p.m., I go to school again and finish school at 4:30 p.m. In the evening, I have dinner and watch TV. At 9 p.m., I go to bed. Wow, very good. Oh, you go to Noo's house? Niece's house?
Yes.
Wow. What will you do to Miss House? In during the day? I mean during school time?
Yes.
Oh, so in the lunchtime, you eat together with me.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So now, Tono, thank you so much for today. Thank you, and I will see you tomorrow. Okay, Ongi is there?
Yes.
Oh my God. Okay. Hi, Mir. It's very dark. I cannot see you. Okay, bye-bye. Miss. Yeah, okay. See you at 7 p.m.
Yes.